Methiyachi Pez. This simple fenugreek seeds and rice porridge is light, nourishing, and perfect for days when you want something soothing yet traditional. Today, let's make Methiyachi Pez. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. Wash less than half cup of parboiled rice and 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds with plain water, then soak for 5 to 6 hours and drain the water. Next, transfer into a pressure cooker. Add water as required. Add some cashew nuts. Then mix well. Cover with the lid and cook until 6 whistles come. Then switch off the flame. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Add water as required. Cover with the lid and grind. Then extract the coconut milk. Once it cools down, open the pressure cooker and transfer into a kadai. I am adding half teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Then add the coconut milk. Mix well. Add half cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery, 1/4 cup of chopped palm jaggery. Mix well. Once it starts boiling, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix well. Simmer for a few minutes and then switch off the flame. Our comforting Goan Methiyechi Pez is ready. Light, healthy, and so satisfying. Enjoy it warm. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.